Once I turn it down, yeah. A lot of people right now are at the launch ramp are pulling their boats out of the water. People with smaller boats and trailers, it's pretty easy for them to do. So they're just going to pull their boats out for just as an extra precaution. So right now the forecast is less than a foot for Monterey Bay. It's a little bit unknown. We usually have a bigger hit here, so it could be something like 2 feet. But with 2 feet of tsunami, it just means that we're going to have a lot of water coming in and out of the harbor for quite a long, a good long time, like 12 hours, something like that. And so we're really concerned about the currents.